Hey guys, let's talk about the EuFy SoloCam S340 night vision. I have the camera here working. And now I'm here on my balcony. You see it outdoors there. And here on the app, you can't see outdoors. Why? Because I have a screen protector here. You see the lights from the camera reflect on the screen protector. And I cannot see here in the app, all right? And if I turn on the lights here, instead of using infrared light, I can turn on the light. You see that changes a little bit, but the result is the same. Take a look at there. So I'm using the regular light now, not infrared, but still doesn't work. So I need to turn it off. And then it comes the infrared light. It changes like this. And still can see it. So the way to solve the problem here is turning off everything here related to light, right? So I need to come here to the video settings and night vision, turn off. So I come back to the main screen, just come back here. There we go. Now I see outdoors. Take a look at the camera, no lights there, but it's still working here, right? So what I have to do now is have some lights here on my balcony if I want to see at nighttime, because I'm using here half and half. So that could be a problem for you as well. Just leave some comments here if you have a similar situation like this. You can have a wall here as well, so the infrared light is going to reflect onto the wall. So that way you can control the light the way you want, okay? So I hope this helps. Please leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next one.